Hi everybody. So this is going to be a short little video on how to create or change pages in your Weebly websites. Now we've already created a home page and you should have added what's called our new page, an About Me page. Now this particular website already has an About Me on it, but in case your website theme that you chose does not have that, I want you to do the following. Up here is your main section, and on it says Pages. When you click on it, your pages will show up. Right now there's only 4 with this website. So Home, About Me, Blog, and Contact. Since mine was already labeled About Me, it's already kind of taken care of. But here's a couple ways that you could edit your actual pages. So if you click on an existing page, it will ask you if you want to rename it. One, it'll actually show you what your page looks like. Currently, mine's very blank because this is just a sample. And it already says About Me. But if I didn't have that, I could then click on it and change it. Okay? I could also change the header, which is going to be this part of it technically. I don't usually use the header. It'll tell you whether you want it to be public or not. I leave all of these settings the same. Okay? That's really the only thing you need to do is change your name on this page. Okay? Now let's say that I want to add another page. Okay? Maybe I don't like this About Me right here. Let's say I want to move the order of it. Maybe I want something else that's next to my home page. If you just watched me there, all you had to do is drag. You click on it and you drag and you drop. That's all you really have to do to create a new page in Weebly.